Did sled, parachute, right there. Sprints, 30, 60, 90s, 20, 40, 60s, 10, 20, 30s. Not even indoor track. Out here in the snow, this part is no ice. So I did it. I risk it, but I got faith. God's got my back. So it's okay with all the stuff I'm doing here, sprints, everything. Understand the story. Understand, coming from nothing, coming from nowhere. A lot of stuff 6 years ago. Doing this my whole life, every single sport. Rise up with a lot of things. Grew up in New York, high school in Florida, college in Ohio, and all over the place, arena leagues, NFL workouts. Hopefully I get a shot. I know I can do it here. I will see what happens the next few days, but February 10th, 2017, Shore Mount Front Day.